Have you ever felt like life turned into one big group chat you forgot to leave? Your phone's always buzzing, your mind's racing, your body's tired, and your soul feels like it's running on low battery. You're texting while brushing your teeth, thinking about work at dinner, and watching shows just to drown out the noise in your head. But even when you lie down, you're not really resting, you're just buffering. You keep telling yourself, just one more thing, then I'll rest. But that moment never comes, does it? There's always one more task, one more thing to fix, and somewhere along the way, you forgot how to stop. So let me remind you of something simple but powerful you are allowed to rest, not later. Not when everything's done, right now, no permission needed, but most of us don't even know how to truly rest anymore. We confuse rest with scrolling, think numbing out is self-care, and pretend collapsing from exhaustion means we took a break. Today, we're not doing that. Today, we're slowing down together. This isn't just a video, it's a reminder your nervous system has been quietly begging for. It's not advice, it's a mirror. Let's talk about the art of real rest, not spa playlists or bubble baths, though go ahead and light that candle if you want. I mean the kind of rest that makes your bones sigh, that doesn't need to be posted online, that reminds you who you are when everything is still. When's the last time you just sat in silence, without checking your phone, without trying to be productive? If that question makes you uncomfortable, you're not alone. Stillness can feel scary because it lets all the things we've buried finally show up. But you can't heal what you won't sit with. There's a story about a woman named Sahana, strong, reliable, always helping everyone but herself. One day, she couldn't get out of bed. Not because she was lazy, but because her soul whispered, "That's enough." In her stillness, she began to notice the light, the birds, her breath. And in that quiet, she remembered who she really was. We wear exhaustion like a badge, but who told us we have to earn rest? Your body isn't a machine. Your heart isn't a workplace. You don't need to be productive to be worthy of peace. So if you feel guilty resting, ask yourself, guilty for what? Who set the pace? What are you racing toward? Maybe real strength is knowing when to put things down. Resting on purpose, with no explanation, is a radical act in this noisy world, and it starts with something as simple as a breath. Right now, close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath from your belly, not your chest. Hold it. Now let it out slowly, like you're letting go of something heavy. That breath is your reminder. You are here, and you are allowed to be. Real rest isn't a luxury. It's your birthright. You don't have to do more to deserve it. You don't have to fix yourself. You're not broken, you're just tired. And tired isn't weakness, it's truth. So take the nap, sit in the sun, watch the sky. Drink your tea like it's the most important moment of the day, because maybe it is. And if anyone asks what you're doing, just say, "I'm healing, I'm resting my soul, I'm remembering who I am." The art of rest isn't about escaping life. It's about finally returning to it. Rest now, not later, not when it's convenient, right now, because the world can wait, but your peace can't.